Okay, we're getting near the end of first full day on this. You can see the debris field is growing. There's the underpan there and the air hose for the alternator. The radiator, AC condenser are out. Nose panels out. Pretty much everything in the front has gotten out of the way. Power steering reservoirs out. And the header's unbolted. And pretty much there's probably some wires and hoses in the back of the engine that need to be undone, but that's about it for up here. Underneath, got everything pretty well undone. This motor comes out from the bottom, so basically the cross member here, there's my finger, there we go, those cross member bolts have to come out, and then you lower the whole thing down on the ground and you pick the front of the car up to pull the motor out. So remove the sway bar from the front, and I need to pop these tie rod ends off. Can't find my tie rod end popper right now though. That way I'll just unbolt the control arms from the cross member, and I can leave the control arms attached to the bottom of the struts and just get them out of the way, and the rack and the cross member will stay attached to the engine, and we'll just drop them down. Then when we have it out, we'll remove the cross member from the engine. And back here, cut the exhaust system right after the oxygen sensor, so that way the guy that's buying the motor will get the Y pipe and have a place to put the oxygen sensor, so we won't have to fabricate anything. That's the rest of the exhaust system. And we're in pretty good shape here. The starter's out. The torque tube, top two bolts are unbolted. These two are just threaded in there, so pretty well ready to go on that front. The slave cylinder's out. I don't think I have to do anything. I think this will just slide forward. You gotta slide it pretty forward because the drive shaft on this, which goes back to the transaxle, sticks out pretty far. It's a few inches, so you gotta pull this forward probably close to a foot. So that's it. Probably plug away a little more at it this evening, and maybe we'll get it out. There's the oil cooler too. It looks like you can just leave it attached, and it'll just go on the pallet with everything else. Okay, that's that for now.